how to turn on and off call forwarding option on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you turn off and on call forwarding option on your Android device. Now to do it, so you want to make sure to follow these steps. In order to enable or disable call forwarding option on an Android phone, you have to navigate to your phone app first of all. So here you want to go to and click on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings. As you go to settings, here you have this section. So what you need to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on call forwarding options, or you might be able to look for this call settings or supplementary services. You simply want to go ahead and select always forward. All incoming calls will be forwarded to the number you specify, and forward when busy. You could also do that and follow the instructions. Alternatively, if you do not find the options here, then what you need to do is some carrier offers specific code for turning on and off call forwarding. And so you have to make sure to contact the manufacturer itself, or you could also use third-party app like OpenPhone. That will help you out. So you want to go to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in OpenPhone, and then you could go and install this, and it should be able to help you out to turn on and off call forwarding on your Android. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.